grey, so I don't get white showing through, and I've done the edges in Payne's grey as well. And I've got some, I had one full sheet of this paper, which is the embossed slate, dark slate roof tiles, the same as I used for Bramble Cottage. So I had one full sheet and part sheet, and then when I held them together I realised one was more grey and one was a slightly more green. So it's always a chance, it's like buying wallpaper, that a different print run will give you slightly different tones. Now, it wouldn't notice probably from a distance, but I didn't have enough to do all in one go. I would have to patch it. So I thought, and also I've got the roof of 2 dormers to do and the roof of the porch to do. Again, I've painted these a base coat of Payne's grey. So I thought what I would do instead is I've cut all of the paper up into strips, and if you look closely, I don't know if you'll be able to see on here, one edge of the tiles, as you look at them, it's sort of got a rougher edge as if it was tile. So that's good. So when they're sitting as a sheet, they do actually look like a sheet of tiles, and I have put them all on as a sheet on Bramble Cottage, so you can always get a closer look at that if you want. See if I can edit that into the video. So I cut it up into strips, and then I'm sort of patchworking it so the tiles mix up their tones a bit. And also I need all sorts of little funny cutaways. If I had, oh, got a bee just thinking about coming in. Fabulous day today. Here we are, end of March, and it's glorious. If I had enough, I would be tempted to just cover the lot and then cut out the dormers from the inside, but I haven't got enough to take that chance. So what I've done is I've put the dormer into position as it's going to be, drawn round with pencil before I put this tile on, so then I know I only have to go that far, so I'm not wasting tile. And then I'm putting it on staggered, so I've still got the piece and a half, piece and a half, piece and a half, but I'm mixing up the colourways. And also I've got this funny nudgery little edge there, a bit longer here, and I'm putting glue. I'm just using my normal wood glue, and I'm gluing on here, but making sure I do plenty of overlap. What I'm using as a glue pot is the lid of the box of one of the things that I bought that I've painted. So that's where we are. Let's see if I can remember to edit in a bit of the sheet of Bramble Cottage so you can see that. I will show you this when it's finished. Here's a close-up of the sheets of tiles on Bramble Cottage. I've added some of the green, but it's brilliant paper. I recommend it. And this is the finished roof, which I'm really pleased with. I haven't dirtied it up at all yet. I will do that at some point, but I'm pleased with that, how that's come out. No, if I'm stretching up, that's why my voice sounds funny. I haven't done the tippity top of the roof yet, and the chimney pots and that. I'm just going to paint that plain grey, and I'm not quite sure what I'll do with the chimney stack. Probably just grey. We'll see. No. I think I might have to do the chimney stack this, whatever colour it is, side of the walls, so the outside of the house colour, and then terracotta chimney pots, but the roof bit will be grey. Anyway, there we go. And this is the lead flashing that you can see, which I have painted with pewter. And of course there's the roof of the portico, which isn't stuck on yet because I've got to do a little bit of fudging, cutting out things to get it to fit, because I put those on without measuring how it was all going to fit together. There we are, but I've just used same principle, the measured up bits of slate paper randomly.